Here's some silkscreen trivia. Subscribe. What printing technique uses a mesh and ink? Is it A, silk screening, B, woodblock printing, C, digital printing, or D, lithography? The correct answer is A, silk screening. Which artist popularized silkscreen printing? Is it A, Damien Hirst, B, Andy Warhol, C, Jean-Michel Basquiat, or D, Jackson Pollock? The correct answer is B, Andy Warhol. What city is associated with the pop art movement? Is it A, Los Angeles, B, New York, C, Chicago, or D, London? The correct answer is B, New York. What is the common name for serigraphy? Is it A, screen printing, B, digital printing, C, lithography, or D, inkjet printing? The correct answer is A, screen printing. Which iconic artwork features Campbell soup cans? Is it A, the Scream, B, Campbell soup cans, C, Mona Lisa, or D, Starry Night? The correct answer is B, Campbell's soup cans. Who developed the silkscreen process for commercial use? Is it A, Samuel Simon, B, Andy Warhol, C, Jasper Johns, or D, Banksy? The correct answer is A, Samuel Simon. What is the primary purpose of a print shop? Is it A, selling furniture, B, designing websites, C, baking cookies, or D, producing prints? The correct answer is D, producing prints. What is a thick paste used in textile printing? Is it A, pigment paste, B, paint slurry, C, ink mix, or D, dye solution? The correct answer is A, pigment paste. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.